can operate. And then I wasn't lying when I said you don't need those pieces. Yeah. 5274. Right. Alright, well I have to go to my meeting because I'm late. But
I'll stop by after
yeah,
the day.
stop by, yeah, and I can show you some things. I mean, it's about the same. There's a couple different quirky things, but it's about the same. You're going to get the idea of that. Once this is over, it's going to beep. At that point, you can lift it up, take your item out. It won't be hot or anything like that. If it ever gets hot. Biggest thing is get something to, like a even lens cleaner. And make sure those lenses stay clean. And if you look through the book, it has a section that's highlighted for maintenance. It's cleaning, so you can go right there and it'll show you what you need to clean and all. Because there's a lens over on this right hand side. There's one over here, she said. Lens.
I'm positive.
It's me.
That is pretty cool. Oh, yeah, you walk in and done some more pieces of wood. Bless Mr.
So it's gone now?
Banfield.
Says it's gone.
It just beeps, so it's
We gotta
done.
take off. We gotta turn off the phone.
It's not fun. It just beeps. Look. They turn that off.
Yeah, you want? Now we get to see.
Are you sure it's done?
Positive
Let me
noise.
see it.
That's pretty awesome, isn't it?
That is cool.
Well, let's go
Oh,
hit Mr.
heck
Banfield
yeah.
up for some more wood.
Dude, that's so awesome.
What does it feel like?
It's just.
Oh, man, that's a great brand.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool. Paint inside
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, is there.
gonna sand it.
It
I'm just
doesn't.
gonna
It
leave it.
probably.
Robots, what building?